Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rack adjuster cover on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The rack adjuster cover is part of the adjuster assembly, which supports, raises, and lowers the upper dish rack. If the rack adjuster cover breaks or is damaged, the upper dish rack may not be adequately supported and may not raise or lower properly. If you need to purchase a new rack adjuster cover for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, properly.The, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Note that the steps in this video apply to both the left and right dish rack adjuster cover. Start by opening the dishwasher's door and pulling the upper rack forward. The rack adjuster cover is located here on the upper rack. To remove, insert a flat-headed screwdriver into the notches on either side of the adjuster cover and pry to release the locking tabs. Then, rotate the bottom of the cover out and pull it down to remove. If you need to purchase a new rack adjuster cover, you can check out our website, properly.The. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, support the housing while inserting the cover at an angle. Ensure the locking tabs on the cover are properly seated and the retainers on the housing. Then, press firmly on the bottom of the cover to snap into place. Finally, slide the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.